Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Deep's PM podcast. Today, I'll be answering a common question I get from my mentees. What is the difference between a Scrum Master and a project manager? And I'll touch on the similarities as well. Now, let's get started. First off, who is a Scrum Master? Typically, a Scrum Master role is embedded in a Scrum team, and you find this role in most agile environments. What the Scrum Master does is he or she ensures that the team follows the Scrum principle and practices. They facilitate events like daily stand-ups, sprint planning session, retrospective, and help the team remove roadblocks, what people also call impediments, that can actually slow them from delivering on the sprint goal or the project goal. Basically, the Scrum Master serves as a servant leader, helping the team continuously improve and direct them to managing the product or the project. So basically, in this case, you typically, like I said earlier, find a Scrum Master role in an agile environment. One thing to note is that you won't find a Scrum Master in an environment that utilizes waterfall approach to implement their project. In that case, you'll most likely see a project manager. So to cap up what I just said about the Scrum Master, they are basically servant leaders. They facilitate the delivery of agile projects and act as a servant leader within a Scrum team. So what that means is, in an organization that doesn't practice Scrum, you won't find a Scrum Master. On the other hand, the project manager is a professional that organizes a team to ensure that the project is delivered on time, within budget, and within the scope of the project. They are often tasked by leading meetings, creating schedules, managing budgets, liaising with the teams and stakeholders, interfacing with the business team, and helping the team manage risk, basically. And the day-to-day of a project manager would involve, defining the project scope, maintaining communication with stakeholders, setting a budget and schedule, creating communication plan, managing risk, working with the business team to define requirements and ensure those requirements are delivered, basically monitoring the stage gate of your project, ensuring that the right things are being done at the right time. Whereas, remember what I said about the Scrum Master role. The Scrum Master just basically works in an agile environment where he or she facilitates meetings, help the team resolve impediments, ensure that the team is actually meeting the sprint goal, ensure that they are practicing the Scrum values and practices, basically. So unlike the Scrum Masters, a project manager isn't tied to a specific methodology. They focus on delivering the project no matter what approach is used. Now let's talk about the similarities. Scrum Master and the project manager are both responsible for ensuring the successful delivery of a project. Both roles require an heavy communication and leadership skill, as their main focus is heavily on communication and leadership. The Scrum Master facilitates the team and ensures collaboration within the team, while the project manager communicates in a broader stakeholder level. And the last similarity I was saying is they both help the team remove obstacles or resolve impediments that might actually delay their project deliverables, whether being a Scrum Master or a project manager. You have to actually resolve problems, solve issues, mitigate risk, and resolve any impediment that comes or hinders or plans to hinder your project progress. So in summary, the Scrum Master role is typically embedded specifically on a Scrum team, focusing on process and team dynamics, while the project manager role is broader, leading virtually any type of project and focusing on delivering results. Both are actually essential to driving your team forward, but they approach their roles from different angles, depending on the methodology utilized in your environment. I hope I've been able to provide clarity as regards the difference between a Scrum Master and a project manager. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for listening to Deep's PM Inside podcast. Until the next time we talk again, keep elevating your PM game.